Yes, coffins!
Yeah, but I don't snoring. Just so you know, I can stop snoring again.
Just fall asleep.
There is it!
But I will maybe your incredible snoring. I will maybe answer.
I'm bored.
What? Let's go back to school. No school. It's just the nightmares. Oh, come on there. We got a just a nightmare because the dream bloody amazing. Just incredible.
Nah, you should be snoring.
Snoring? Huh? Welcome back to home.
I will maybe breakfast. Oh yeah. Oh yeah.
Just like you. Hey, stop snoring and sleeping together.
Maybe we will make it back to snoring and go back to home.
Now today.
Oh! Look, a fridge. SpongeBob. Maybe we shall be fluttering again.
Finally, I'm going to bed.
Well, snoring, senpai. I don't carry that look. Yes, go to sleep. It's an annoying day. Maybe stop snoring. Stop snoring!
What is that sound?
You're snoring, SpongeBob. Let's go back to sleep. Hi, my baby.
Now go back to sleep already now. Catch it.
SpongeBob is snoring. Let's give it out loud. Sleeping and snoring SpongeBob. Is the sleeping app here? SpongeBob! Huh?
What's going on there?
You're sleeping in there. Is it that morning?
Yeah.
Senpai, stop snoring.
And there you're correct.
Your rest already. Go back to your home.
SpongeBob, stop snoring. Stop snoring.
Maybe you're well here.
No. Keep awake. Oh, maybe. SpongeBob, look! There's that tree! Look, you do. Shh, she's just snoring. SpongeBob. Stop. Let's keep it awake.
stop snoring.
Shh. Maybe you're working by snoring. Maybe you're not sure what's going on there. Senpai, why didn't he need forks? Snoring problem! Oh, yeah, maybe. I can back to snoring again. Oh, well, maybe yourself. Yeah! Your twat! You're snorting out loudly! You're sleeping out here? No. It breaks, Bob! I cannot, never mind, Shelby.
Snoring like a bear.